This is the next part of the video in which we are going to cover the remaining questions of exercise 7.1 from coordinate geometry, the exercise in which we have used distance formula. Now the seventh question is find a point on x-axis which is equidistant from these 2 points 2 minus 5 and minus 2 9. Since the given point is on x-axis, its y coordinate will be 0. So point will become x and 0. Distance between that point and this point, let's say A. Distance between x0 and 2 minus 5. Using distance formula, it will be x minus 2 square plus 0 minus 5 whole square, and the under root of this whole term, it will become x minus 2 whole square plus 0 minus plus 5, that is 5 square. This is the first equation formed. Now distance between that point x0 and minus 2 9, it will become x minus plus 2 square 0 minus 9 square, that is positive 9 square. This is the second equation. Since both the distances are equidistant, so equation 1 will be equal to equation 2. Under root of x minus 2 whole square plus 5 square is equal to under root of x plus 2 square plus 9 square. Under root gets cancelled out. It will be x minus 2 square plus 5 square is equal to x plus 2 square plus 9 square. On expanding it with the formula a minus b whole square, a square plus b square minus 2ab, 2 2s are 4 into x plus 5 square is 25. X square plus 2 2s are 4 plus 4x plus 81. On moving this whole term into the left hand side, it will be x square plus 4 minus 4x plus 25 minus x square minus 4 minus 4x minus 81 is equal to 0. Positive x square will be cancelled with negative x square, positive 4 with the negative 4, negative 4x will be minus of 8x, and on moving 81 onto right hand side, it will be positive and 25 will be negative. Minus of 8x, it will be 56, and x will be x minus 7, and the point will be minus 7 and 0. Next question, 8th question. Find the values of y. Question number 8. Find the values of y for which distance between the points P 2 minus 3 and Q 10y is 10 units. We have to find a point y. This y. Since the distance between P and Q is 10 units, so we will apply distance formula between these two points P and Q. 2 minus 10 whole square plus minus 3 minus y whole square under root, that should be equal to 10. It will be minus of 8 square plus minus 3 minus y square under root is equal to 10. On removing this under root, we have to square the equation. On square, this under root will get cancelled out, and the square of 10 will be 10 square. It will be minus of 8 square 64 plus a, you can apply minus a minus b whole square, or we can take it as common, but since here is square, so negative will become positive. It will be simply 3 square 9 y square plus 3 2s are 6, y is equal to 100. It will be y square plus 6y plus 9, 100 minus 64, 36. Now we can write it as y plus 3 whole square. Y plus 3 whole square, that should be equal to 36, and on removing this square, here under root of 36 will be taken, and the root of 36 is plus minus 6. So there will be 2 points. Y plus 3 is equal to positive 6, y plus 3 is equal to negative 6, y is equal to 6 minus 3, y is equal to minus 6 minus 3. It will be y is equal to 3 and y is equal to minus 9. 2 points will be there. Now next question, if Q01 is equidistant from P 5 minus 3 and R x minus 6, we have to find this x as we have done in this previous question, and we have to find QR and PR after finding the value of x. Since both the points are equidistant, so we have to apply distance formula in PQ and QR. and that should be equal. For PQ, it will be 5 minus 0 square plus minus 3 minus 1 square under root, and for QR it will be 0 minus x square plus 1 minus x square under root. Okay, it will be 5 square plus minus 3 minus 1 minus 4 square, it will be minus of x square and minus of 5 square. It will be 5 square 25 plus 16 x square plus 25. We can cancel out both these under root. It will be 41 is equal to x square plus 25. X square plus 25 will be 41 minus 25, that is 16. So x will be plus minus 4 on taking under root of this. So r will have two values, positive 4 6, negative 4 6. We will find out the value of PR and QR for both these points. First of all, for positive 4 and 6, PR is equal to, since P is 5 minus 3, so 5 minus square, 5 minus whole square plus minus 3 minus 6 whole square under root. It will be 1 square plus minus 3 minus 6 minus 9 square under root. It will be 1 plus 81 under root, that is under root of 82. Now for QR, since Q is 0 1, so Q is 0 1 and R is 4 6. It will be 0 minus 4 square plus 1 minus 6 square under root. It will be minus 4 square, 5 square. It will be 16 plus 25 root 41. For R is equal to minus 4 and 6. P will be, P is 5 minus 3. It will be 5 minus minus plus 4 square plus minus 3 minus 6 whole square, minus of 9 whole square under root. It will be 9 square plus 9 square under root, 81 plus 81 under root, and on solving this our answer will be 9 root 2. And QR will be 0 minus minus 4 square plus 1 minus 6 whole square. It will be 0 plus 4 square plus minus of 5 square under root, 4 square plus minus of 5 square under root, 16 plus 25 root 41. Last question of this exercise, 10th question. Find the relation between x and y such that point xy is equidistant from 3 6 and minus 3 4. This point is equidistant, so we will use distance formula. I let these points as A and B, and this point is P. We have to find PA and PB and to just equate them. PA will be x minus 3 whole square plus y minus 6 whole square under root. Here it should be x minus minus plus 3 whole square plus y minus 4 whole square under root. We can cancel out the under roots. It will be x minus 3 whole square plus y minus 6 whole square, x plus 3 whole square plus y minus 4 whole square. We will expand both the formulas. All the four formulas. A square plus b square minus 2ab plus a square plus b square minus 2ab, a square plus b square plus 2ab, a square plus b square minus 2ab according to a minus b whole square or a plus b whole square. So on changing the side of all these values, we will reverse all the signs. X square positive will get cancelled out with the negative x square, plus 9 with the minus 9, minus 6x will be minus 12x, positive y cancelled out with the negative y, plus 36 minus 16 it will be plus 20, minus 12y plus 8y it will be minus of 4y is equal to 0. It will be 12 minus 12x plus 20 minus 4y. I have taken minus 4 as common. It will become positive 3x, positive y, this positive y minus 5. On dividing 0 by minus 4 we will get nothing. So the relation will become 3x plus y minus 5 is equal to 0. This was all about the exercise 7.1. I hope you will get these questions. These are very simple questions. We have to use only distance formula. Okay, and you have to recognize the word equidistance. Equidistance matlab equal distances.